Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the issue. The license manager is not functioning or is improperly installed. Step 1, check date and time settings. Right-click on the system tray clock and select Adjust Date and Time. Ensure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Click Sync now to update the time. If needed, manually set the date and time. Step 2, restart Autodesk Services. Open the Windows search bar and type Services. Open the Services app. Locate Auto Time Zone Updater. Right-click the service, select Properties, and go to the Log On tab. Ensure Local System Account is selected. Ensure Local System Account is selected. Check Allow Service to interact with the desktop. Click Apply and then OK. Close the window and restart your computer. After restarting, check if Autodesk services are running. Step 3, check Autodesk license. If the issue persists, your Autodesk license may have expired. Contact Autodesk support to renew or upgrade your license. Hopefully this guide helps you resolve the issue. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.